about the right angle.
25 for, and what sort of chain is this? From which?
Oh, this is
chainsaw?
An old chain.
Yeah.
Pretty old one. Nearly had it by the looks of it. But I generally put it so that the cutting's always going out the one way. And you've got, there's not much teeth left on this one, but you put it up against the teeth there, and then you go down here, and there's an adjustment here, and you got to screw that so that that goes up against the teeth. It might be just a bit too much there. Wait on. Oh, that's the wrong angle. Yeah, that's the correct angle.
Right. So you set the angle in the first place, don't you, as well?
Well, it's one way is the one angle. When you've done that side, you turn this over to that 25.
Right. Yep. Okay.
So this, if this part here, if you can just get it so that it's just up against that tooth.
Yeah, I can see that.
And when you do that, then you can lock it. So that should be right now.
Yep.
And if you got it right, that's about all you need.
Right, just
like
a real
that.
little, yep.
And it's going the other way.
Right, just two little nicks.
Yeah, that's all you should need to do it. If you keep it like this fairly often, that's all you need.
Right.
But if you're really blunting them, that's the trouble. Then you've got to take
too much
a lot more.
Right.
That's about all.
Yeah.
And I do it fairly often.
Yep.
And you'll find if you do that, you'll keep them like brand new.
Yep.
And you don't have to take much off.
Great.
So you go all the way to one side.
Yep.
And quite often, if you can't, sometimes they've got a gap in them, but I might just put a white mark on where I started.
Oh, yeah. Then
with
you know.
A bit of chalk,
yeah.
so that you know.
Yeah, right. That's
but
good.
then you go right around the one side.
Yep.
Then you undo this here and put it on 25 that side.
The other side. Yep.
That's what I found the best angle.
Right.
But whatever angle you put it on post to keep it there.
Yeah, okay.
Well then, now this should do
the other ones.
Opposite side.
Right.
That, that's right. Yeah, that's right. So that's all you need.
Cool.
And you'll find that if you do it like that, you'll keep them beautifully and sharp.
Yep.
It's getting that bad. Well, normally I'd use glasses, but
yeah, okay.
I think that gives you the idea.
Yeah, it does. That's great. Thanks, Dad. Excellent.